to my channel. So today in this video is another accessories haul, but this is a Walmart accessory haul. Now I went in tonight just to get makeup wipes. Now down the makeup wipe aisle there's a clearance wall. Now this wall is usually filled with miscellaneous stuff, but today it had their jewelry pieces on it and they were 75% off. So yeah, that made it that more interesting since they were all 75% off and mostly everything was marked $1 and $3. But in the frugalista that I am and the bargain hunter, of course I gravitated to the $1 items. So I want to go ahead and share with you the $1 items that I picked up. And again, I bought all earrings. I bought 5 pair. Now I don't know why that's the number for me when it comes to stuff like this. I always buy things in 5s. I know that could be weird or strange, but most people like even numbers. I always go for 5. That's my thing. That's my number. So I bought 5 pair of earrings. Now these were so cute. I don't know why they give me vacation-y type vibes, especially this pair. I don't know, it just looks like something that you should wear on a cruise ship. I don't know, that's just my theory. That's just how the way my mind works. But let's just get right into the things I bought. They're so cute though. Like, I'm really smitten with everything that I bought. And again, this is my first time buying Walmart accessories. Now I'm no stranger to Walmart. I love Walmart. I love bargains. I love how do we say, I just love deals, okay? Especially a clearance aisle. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. Like I said, I didn't go in there with the intent to buy jewelry. I never go in Walmart thinking about accessories, but I don't know. I might have to take them more seriously or either keep my eye out on their clearance items. But let's go ahead and try on the cute things that I have. We're gonna go in first with, let's just do these. These are like some beaded dangly earrings. They were regularly $4 on clearance for $1. Just beaded danglies with a post and a backing to them. So let's go ahead and try these on. I don't know why, I just love bargains. I get more so excited for things that I find on sale over things that are regular price that I probably could really want or really like. I don't know why these type of things excite me most. Oh, these are cute. These are very cute. Oh, I feel like you can do a lot with each pair that I picked. I try to pick things that I could wear both, you know, when I'm dressed up or kind of dressed down. Like, I feel like I could wear these with leggings and boots, jeans, you know, like pants, a dress shirt, even like sweaters like this. I feel like I could really get away with doing whatever I want with these style earrings, and that's kind of my style. That's what I gravitate towards. I don't like things that only have one purpose. I like to have multiple things that I can use for multiple things, if that makes sense. Do you get me? I know you get me. But yeah, this is a look. I love this. Really cute. Date night, you know, happy hour. You can even wear these to work. Yes, you could be that bougie girl at work that loves to fly fancy things. These are cute. Even if you didn't buy them on sale, $4 is really not that bad for accessories. So yeah, very cute though. But for $1, that's even better. Yes, loving it. Yeah, I like these. Moving on to the next pair. So, oh yeah, let me show you the back, just in case you're wondering. This is the backing. Just that plastic clasp on the back like that. So very secure. I like that. Yes, push through. So the next ones we're going to try on are these pink. You know what? So I got pink ones and black ones. And they're just all beaded, like with a knot here and then some hanging here. Real cute. Much like the ones that I just tried on, but these have the hook clasp on them that I like. I love these kind. You just slide it right in. I always give mine an extra bend. Just like that, so it won't slip out my ear. And that's the last thing I want to do, whether I paid $4 or $1. I don't want to lose a pair of earrings or lose one of my earrings. It's like the worst to be out and then like somebody points out that you're wearing just one earring because your earring has slipped out. So I always give it a little pinch just to bend it a little bit so it won't be so wide and slide out. But yes, these are cute. Real cute. So you can dress them up, dress them down. Some distressed denim, a cute fitted top, like a tight tee, some tight jeans, distressed jeans, some pumps, you know, or some heels or whatever. Have your hair up or down. But I think I'd rather keep my hair up to, you know, let these earrings get a little attention. But you can wear your hair either way and it'll still be fly. But yeah, I really love stuff like this, like statement earrings, you know. Cutesy, cutesy. All right, so that's the black ones. The pink ones are the exact same, just pink. So I'm not gonna waste your time by trying these on. Yes, so the next ones, these have that same backing to them, but they're made out of like string. So if you're real artsy, you know, you could probably make these. Look how cute they are. Oh, very different. So yeah. And of course I mostly got everything in black because I wear a lot of black. So black is going to be incorporated in my outfits some kind of way. That's just who I am. I love black. Now some people despise wearing a lot of black. Me, I love it because it's just so easy to work with. It's just easy to style, especially for me. Alright, that's that one. And these earrings are not hard to put on. Like as I mentioned in a previous accessories video, if you haven't watched that one, watch that one next. That one's titled Boujee on a Budget, where I bought some earrings from the beauty supply store for $1. But yeah, my nails are just kind of thick, so that makes it a little harder for me to deal with little tasks like putting on earrings. Yeah, these are cute. Cute. They can almost look like feathers. Yeah, very different. Very cute. Different. I like them though. Alright, so the last pair also have like dangly strings and beads. They're black and gold beads. Really cute. I don't know. I think these have to be maybe my favorites. Let's see. I think these are. I think, yes. Oh, I really do. I like the sparkle. I like the gold and black together with the strings at the end because I feel like they're doing the most. So, yeah. Definitely faves. And I'm just giving it a pinch. I just pinch it a little just to bring it in. There we go. Yes. I love these. So cute. Look at those. Both elegant and fun. And only $1. Ah, loving them. But yes, check out your local Walmart and see if they have these same earrings on clearance. Oh wait, this is even better. So these shouldn't like hurt your skin if you're like me. See, I have very sensitive skin, so wearing, even though I have a whole lot of costume jewelry, I can't wear it for a very long time because it will irritate, burn, itch my ears. So yeah, I can only wear it for a few hours and immediately take them off, but never like days consecutively. But these are hypoallergenic, so they shouldn't, you know, hurt our skin. So yeah, that's a plus. So yes, skin friendly and cheap. I love that. So cute. But yeah, that is it for my Walmart's budget friendly accessories haul. So yes, looking good, does not have to break the bank, and no one has to know that you bought your accessories on clearance, only if you told them. But yes guys, that's it for me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, watch my previous accessories haul video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. These are too cute. I am very happy.